So water is probably the most important thing we put in our body daily. But do we know what type of water we're drinking and what's coming out of our tap? So a couple months ago, I received a letter from the city of Dearborn Heights. By luck, I didn't throw it away and I actually read it. And it was actually a warning that there may be high levels of lead in our drinking water. So I wanted to test out my water to make sure it's safe. And I got these kits, EnviroTestkits sent me out some of these kits, these SafeHome lead test kits, and then it looks for other minerals and metals in your water. So the way this kit works, there's two types. This is a pretty cool one because you collect the water yourself and you mail it to them and they run all the tests on it. There's a bunch of ways you can do it. So this comes with the yellow and the red. You can test from multiple sites, or I prefer, right now I'm going to test from this single site. I'm going to collect in the yellow sample, the first draw, which is basically testing my faucet, the plumbing inside my house. And then you're supposed to wait 5 minutes, collect it in the red one. And when you do that, that's testing the main water supply, the city water that's coming in to your home. So you fill it, don't fill it above the 50 milliliters. It's marked up there. And I'm going to do that. So that's one. And that's two. So EnviroTestkits, SafeHome, they also make these instant tests, and I want to take a look at that now. So let's see. So this is the instant lead test, 10-minute lead test. All right. So if you can see here, you're supposed to fill up to here, dip that in the water. I'll just borrow some of this. Some more. So we'll wait 10 minutes and we'll see what's going on with this. Alright guys, so I just finished the lead test. I want to show you how to interpret this test. So you want the arrows pointed to the left on the strip, and there's a number 1 and number 2. If the blue line near the number 1 is darker than the blue line near the number 2, that means you have a negative test and the lead levels are safe in your water. Now, if the blue line near 2 is darker than 1, then that's a risky result and you need to further investigate because the lead levels are probably too high. So what I'm going to do, so this is a good test. I'm going to send my vials in and I'm going to wait for the final report on my water quality. And I'll update you guys in the future. If you want to learn more about lead poisoning in children, read below and please share.